Are you paying sales tax on your gelato orders? Did you know there is a way to avoid paying this? I'm going to show you how to stop paying sales tax on gelato, which could boost your profits from 10 to 15%. In order to set up the sales tax exemption on your gelato account, from the home page, click on your initials in the top right corner and click on Billing and then Tax Center. Then want to click on Resale Certificate under the Taxes in the Americas section. And scroll down and click Add Resale Certificate. So for this example, we're going to add our business state. So that's wherever your business is registered and that you have a sales tax account. So we're going to click on California, just as an example. And next. And please just bear in mind that some of these questions might be slightly different depending on the state you select, but most of the time it'll be the same. So you want to click resale as the reason for the exemption. And then we're going to create the certificate. So most likely the retailer is the general type of business, but it might be wholesaler or just a seller. So I'm going to describe the nature of the business. So we're just going to put print on demand seller. Our items are going to be clothing, t-shirts and jumpers. And then we'll click next, and then you want to enter your valid California sales tax permit number. So just do that as a test. Click next, and then you want to put your company name and details in. And then on the next page, you just need to put your name, title, date as today, and then your signature. And then you just click submit. And then it will pop up a message to say that your certificate has been accepted, and they'll message you within 48 hours whether it's been confirmed or rejected. And then you'll just see it here in the account as in review. This next part of the video is for anyone who is doing drop shipping on Gelato. So Gelato has recently changed their sales tax exemption process, which is great news for us because it now means you can be fully tax exempt with less applications and less documentation. For the following states, you can use a streamlined sales tax resale certificate with any state's registration number. For these following states, you can use a uniform sales resale certificate, which is the multi-jurisdictional state form, and you can do that with any state's registration number. For some of these on the certificate, you just need to put your seller's permit number for your business state or for any state you're registered in. If you don't have a seller's permit for Illinois, California, Pennsylvania, or Idaho, you can just write no nexus. There are a few states that require specific state resale certificates. So Alaska, you can fill out a marketplace seller affidavit and submit that. Florida, you can get a letter from Gelato to say that you are only selling on a platform and doing printing materials so that you're tax exempt. Louisiana is a special exception because if you're not registered within the state, a resale certificate is therefore not required. In place of the resale certificate, a letter on company letterhead will suffice. For Mississippi, a retail certificate is not required there, and you do not have to have a resale certificate. Therefore, a photocopy of your home state or your MS retail permit is allowed to support an exemption. For New York and Virginia, they have their own states, their own state certificates to fill in. So it's ST120 for New York and ST14 for Virginia. These can all be found online and all can be found on our website, rjmtaxexemption.com. And there's more information there about what's needed. This just leaves 3 states, DC, Massachusetts, and Maryland. You will need to register there and upload a state resale certificate if you want sales tax exemption in those states. Here's a quick example of how to do the upload process for the multi-state jurisdictional form. So the same process would apply for the streamlined certificate, you just need to select the appropriate states. So for the multi-state jurisdictional form, I'm just going to do a few as an example. So I'll pick Arkansas, Iowa, Nevada, and Kansas. So you just need to click next. And then the reason will be resale. Next. And then you want to click upload to uniform multi-jurisdictional state sales use tax certificate. And then you just need to upload that form. I've got here. That's been selected to upload, so click next. And then your company's information, so click next. You just need to put your name, title, today's date, and sign. And then click submit. And then that will be uploaded for Gelato team to review, and they should get back to you within 48 hours to tell you if it's confirmed or rejected. So when the certificate has been accepted, this is what it looked like on your resale certificates page. So I've got Florida accepted here as the business state, and all the other states, as we did in the dropshipping example, are listed here and again shown as accepted. Please be aware, once you apply for sales tax licenses, you will be required to file sales tax returns, and depending on where you are selling, you may need to collect sales tax on your sales and pay them back to the state. Some platforms like eBay and Etsy collect and remit sales tax. You still need to file the return, but no tax. Other platforms may require you to collect and remit the tax manually. If you're unsure, please reach out to us at support@rjmtaxexemption.com. RJM offers Gelato sales tax exemption as a fully done-for-you service. From applying for the licenses to uploading to your account, we've got you covered. Reach out to us at support@rjmtaxexemption.com for more details, or visit our website www.rjmtaxexemption.com.